everybody, today I'm working on an 8 by 20 canvas. I love working on these sizes, 8 by 20s, 10 by 20s, 12 by 24s. I like the rectangle canvas. And I'm going to be doing a wandering ring pour with some leftover metallics. And this one here is gold. That's from FolkArt. It is 14 karat gold. And these two right here are from DecoArt Americana Decor metallics. I've got copper and antique bronze. And then this one is also from DecoArt. I don't have the jar because I ran out. I hate that when I run out. And this is bronze. It's my favorite bronze. So I have to get some more of that. And then I am going to use FolkArt white pearl, and I'm just gonna layer each color and then put white pearl in between each one. All right, so I'm gonna move these and just go ahead and get started right away. And I think I'm just gonna start with the aged bronze first. Put that one in there first, and I'm actually gonna try to use as much as possible because I just want to get rid of these colors. And all of these are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water, and I've got no silicone added. Now they've been sitting for a little bit. I did give them a quick stir. That copper feels a bit thick. And so does this gold, but oh shoot, I forgot to put that in there, darn it. All right, we'll just do it like this. I'll have to improvise a bit. And I'm getting rid of all of this gold. It's all gone. Well, we'll see what happens now. And now I'm gonna go with, oh my gosh, this bronze seems a little thick as well, but you know, it is what it is. Alright, and don't forget guys, like my video and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos, alright? Thank you. Let's see. I'm just gonna try to fill the cup. A little bit more bronze. Alright, so let me move these. And alright, so I'm just gonna bend my cup. It's pretty full. And I'm just gonna lift the top here. And I'm gonna start Okay guys, so I let this sit for a bit and now I'm gonna take you in for a closer look. I really like how this is looking. I love metallics anyway, and I think this is turning out really cool. There's the middle part It almost has like a cloud effect look to it, all the way down through here. And that looks like a worm with a smiley face. So there's that. And then all the way down to the bottom. I love how the gold and the bronze even got all the way down here too. So that's pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry and I will be back. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. I'll take you in for a closer look. The painting really hasn't dried really any different than before. The colors are still really nice and shiny, and I did turn it vertically because I had done it horizontally. I'm not really sure which way I like it, but I do really like how these colors blended, and I love metallics anyway, so there's that. So lots of cool detail in this one. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out all my links in my description, and have a great day.